in this session I will explain question number 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 7.6 chapter 7 fraction. Okay, now in question number 2 we have Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. So there are two characters, Sarita and Lalita. Now Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. So the first statement we'll write is ribbon length bought by Sarita. So ribbon length bought by Sarita. And how much length she bought? 2 by 5 meter. 2 by 5 meter. Now second statement we'll write ribbon length bought by Lalita. That is how much? That is 3 by 4 meter. Now what is the question they are asking? So they have asked what is the total length of the ribbon they bought. So we have to find the total length. So when we talk about total, that means we have to add. So that means therefore total length of ribbon bought, that is equals to what? We have to add this to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so when we add any fractions, okay, so what we do first, we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 5 and 4, that would be 20. Now we'll write the LCM as we have all discussed this in my previous video. So now we'll write the LCM like this. Now divide this LCM with this denominator, that is 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now 4 into 2 is 8. Now again 20 divided by 4 is what? 5. 5 into 3 is 15. So your answer would be 23 by 20 meters. So as the fraction is in improper form, so we can give the answer in mixed fraction form also. So 1 whole 3 by 20 meter. Okay, so this is a solution of sum number 2. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Sum number 3 we have Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Again same type of sum. Find the total amount of cake. Now what is the first sentence? First statement we'll write fraction of cake Naina got. Now fraction of cake Naina got. Okay, Naina got. That means equals to what? That is 1 by 2. It is given in the mixed fraction form, students. So we have to convert it into the improper form. That would be 3 by 2. And fraction of cake Nazma got. Nazma got. That means what? It is also given in the mixed fraction form. 1 by 3. So convert it into the improper form. That would be 4 by 3. Okay, now the total amount of cake. Now therefore, you have to find out the total amount of cake. Total amount of cake given to them, isn't it? Given to them. Given to them. So that will be equals to what? 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Total means always we have to add. Now when we have to add, what is the first thing that we have to do? We have to find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 2 and 3 would be what? 6, isn't it? So we'll write the LCM like this. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into 3 is what? 9. 6 divided by 3 is what? 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17 by 6 and that would be 25 by 6 answer. Okay, so this is a solution of sum number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 4. Now we have three sums under question number 4. So sum number A we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so we have to fill in this box. So what is the fraction from which you have to subtract 5 by 8 to get 1 by 4? Now suppose if you are not understanding, so I would like to give you from very easy example, that is suppose 3 is equals to 7. Now what is the number, what is the required number from which if you subtract 3 you get 7? Fine. Now if you see this type of equation is there, so what exactly you have to do? To get the required number, what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. Okay, that is 7 plus 3, that would be 10. Now if you put 10 here, you see 10 minus 3 is 7, isn't it? So how I am getting this number, this required number? Just by adding these two numbers, isn't it? The same thing you have to do with this. That means to get this required fraction, you have to add these two fractions. Okay, so now we'll add it. So 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Okay, so we'll have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8, that would be 8 only. Okay, now we'll write the LCM. Now 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. That means 7 by 8. So your required answer is 7 by 8. Okay, so now let's move on to sum number B. Sum number B is absolutely same like sum number A. So the same thing we have to do to get this required fraction. We have to add this two fraction. So we'll add it. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. So LCM of 2 and 5 would be what? 10. Okay, so we'll write the LCM like this, 10. Now 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 5 ones are 5. 10 divided by 5 is what? 2. 2 into 1, 2. So now we'll add this 2. That is 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 by 10. So your required fraction would be what? 7 upon 10. Okay. So now let's move on to sum number C.